So today I'm gonna have a look at a 4th level kata, so this is already pretty advanced. And it's about strings in Kotlin. Okay, so given two strings S1 and S2, we want to visualize how different these two strings are. We will only take into account the lowercase letters. First, let us count the frequency of each lowercase letter in S1 and S2. Okay, so we need to count each letter. So that's pretty easy so far. Maximum for A in S1 and S2 is 4. Yeah, okay. Maximum for B is 3 from S2. Okay, in the following we will not consider letters when the maximum of their occurrences is less than or equal to 1. And the maximum of their occurrence is less than or equal to 1. Okay, then it doesn't matter? Okay, fair enough, I'll just accept it here. We can resume the differences between S1 and S2 in the following string. So here, so far we're just filtering. We're checking each letter apparently and see, and whenever the maximum of a letter is less than or equal to 1, we just drop it and we don't look at that letter anymore, I guess. We can resume the differences between S1 and S2 in the following string: 1 AAA, 2 BBB, where 1 stands for string S1 and AAA becomes the maximum for A is 4. Okay. In the same manner, 2 BBB stands for string S2 and BBB because the maximum for B is 3. Okay, the task is to produce a string in which each lowercase letters of S1 or S2 appears as many times as its maximum if this maximum is strictly greater than 1. Okay. These letters will be prefixed by the numbers of the string where they appear with their maximum value and I don't know how you call this one, how this one is called. Damn it. I'm not sure. And this symbol. If the maximum is in S1 as well as in S2, the prefix is an assignment, or what? Like, this looks like an other assignment. If in the result a substring is for example 2 NNN or 1 blah blah blah, contains the prefix, will be in decreasing order. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Of their length, and when they have the same length, sorted in ascending lexicographic order, letters and digits, more precisely sorted by code point, the difference group will be separated by a slash. See examples and example tests. Oh god, okay. Hopefully other examples can make this clearer. Okay, so we have two strings. My and friend and Paul has heavy hats, and my friend John has many friends, and so the number one letter, the letter with the lowercase letter between A and Z with the most occurrences is N in the second string. Then we have A's in the first one. Okay. Okay, and whenever there are more with the same amount of occurrences, it's gonna be alphabetically, I guess. Okay, fair enough. I'm still not sure what this is. Oh, okay. If it's the same. Yeah, okay. If the maximum is the same, then sure. Okay. Oh, okay. It doesn't sound so difficult, but I guess it's gonna be quite difficult. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a fourth queue. Poof. Okay. Well, I already prepared a little test case here. I'll just put their function in real quick. Okay. So what do I need? First of all, how do I do this? Oh man, it's not easy. So this is their test case, and this is their result. I'll just keep it in mind here real quick. Okay. How would I do this? Probably first Oh man, I don't know. Look for, well, first of all, I need to count all, okay, none regarding performance right now. I would collect all unique single letters in S1 and S2. So now I get all letters. Then for each unique, okay, and then I can like go for each unique single letter, check if the occurrence is max S1 or S2 or equal, and then I need to print that. Is that already it? Oh, okay, and then step 3 is like sorting the list. All letters with occurrences where, and okay, and for each check if the occurrence is max S1 or S2, and then I need to print right where it was found, and the amount of the occurrence, how many times it was found, in that in S1, S2, well, in the end I need to sort them. Okay, but this is probably basically it. How could I improve this? So far, how do I get the amount of a letter in a string? I could use a regex, regular expression, and just count it. I don't know, does Kotlin have something like that? Like, can I just like occurrence find any of, okay. So basically the first thing is probably going to be step 1. Collect all unique single letters in S1 and S2. But wait a second. Maybe I can think about performance here already. If there is a unique single letter in S1 that is not present in S2, then the max is already going to be the amount in S1. I don't need to calculate it anymore. Huh. But okay, first of all, I'm going to do this. So I already have a test case. I'll just push this down. So what we're going to start with is get all unique letters in string. So for example, I don't know, let's say unique letters and A, B, C, D, yeah, E should be a list of string, I guess. A, B, C, D, and E. Of course, this could be chars as well. I'll just leave it as strings for now. Okay. Okay. List string. Okay, let's check this out. This should not work. Now I need as unique. Isn't there something like this? Map. For each filter. There's something like that. There's some Kotlin thing for unique elements in lists. Kotlin get unique elements in list or something. Ba, ba, ba. Nope. Maybe a list to a set. How would that work? Let's check it out. Print to set. Okay, what happens here? How does Kotlin do this? This is already pretty good. Sure. Return as to set. This does not work because it's a set of char. That's fine by me. Set of char. Okay. Let's check it out. Does this work? Okay. Another test would probably be just having multiple occurrences. Okay, great. Okay, so basically my a function is totally useless because it's just to set. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'll leave it be for now. Okay, so basically I could concatenate. Oh, I need to remove. First of all, I need to filter. There we go. Step 0 would probably be filter out any letters that are not between A to Z. I'm just checking real quick in here if so as we can see here, the difference is in number 1 we have 4 A's, so the uppercase one is discarded. Therefore I do not need to turn it to lowercase or something. I just really need to filter out any letters that are not between A to Z. Okay, let's check this out. I'll just call this filter out for now. A, B, C, D, E should be B, C, E. Okay. So I'm gonna remove all uppercase letters. I can probably add some other stuff too. Shouldn't matter. Okay. It's gonna be a string. Okay. Let's check this out. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a one-liner too. Okay, filter. I don't know. What was it in Kotlin? Like it. It's lowercase. Is this enough? To string? Why does this not work? Oh, because I'm not returning it. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, nice. So this does work. Because this is not lowercase and this is not lowercase either. And white spaces are not empty lowercase either. Okay, great. So far, this has been not very useful, my functions. Okay, so we got step 0, and we can get all single letters. I'm very up to the last kata that I did. I have this feeling that it's gonna be about very long strings too or something, because so far it's not been so difficult. If I were more familiar with Kotlin, this would have been very obvious to me. Okay, but I'm learning a lot, so. Okay, what's the next step? Then for each unique single letters, check if the occurrence is max in S1 or S2. Okay. I'm gonna need a lot of finds. I'm not sure if I like that. I'm not sure if I like that at all. Is there something besides that that I could use? No, I don't think so. Okay. Okay, so I need to get find out if letter is has more occurrences in first, second, or equal strings. First or second strings. Okay. So get max. Now that this is a silly name. Find string with max or something. Maybe like that. And then I'm gonna put in 2 strings. For example, like this, AAA, and this is gonna be BBB. And I'm probably gonna need to input another a char like this, and this should be how do they want that? Okay, should be a string 1 AAA. Okay. Let's try this out. It's going to return a string. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Okay. This is not going to be very performant at all. Find C, it equals C. It's nice. Count. What is this? What does find actually return? First, no, I need all. Find all probably or something. Any? Any of C? What does find any of? No. Just need to get all. Find Kotlin, find all occurrences of char in string. Count all string. No, this is something different, right? Filter grouping by each count. Let's check it out. So instead of find, I need a filter. Filter array where this is this, and then count. Fair enough. Okay. So this is the first one. First count, second count, and once again, this is like not performant at all. We'll see if it's enough for this specific case. If not, we're gonna see. The max function, can I just, yep. What does max actually return if they're both the same? I don't know that. 0. Okay. We'll just, if first count equals second count, return, what is it? This weird symbol, slash equals points, dots, and yeah, okay. First of all, we're just gonna do it like this. Okay, we're just gonna do it like this then. If first count is bigger than second count, return. Oh, this could be a match, a when clause, but we'll do it like this first. So there's first count. Oops. Okay. Return 2. Let's check this out real quick. Yeah, else, I don't know, return, whatever. This is already correct. And then I need basically I need S. I need this part then, right? Let's check it out. Whoops. Wrong one. Let's check this out. Yep. Okay. So what do we have? Let's just do it like this. Well, it's first filtered is this thingy. Then we don't need those. Second filtered is S1, and then this is count. And we can start too, it's fine. Why not? First count equals first filtered dot count. And second count, second filtered dot count. Okay, and then here we can just any, doesn't really matter. Here we need the first filtered, and here we need the second filtered. Gonna put it like that, and then return whatever. Okay. Not very pretty, but it does what it should, I guess. Let's check it out. I'll just put in several ones. Let's put in only one and check for B. This should be this thingy. And if it's the same, for example, C. Oh, I just realized I forgot about the greater or equal than 1 thingy. I need to check that later. For example, let's say A and just add some A's. Then it should be the same. Okay, let's check it out. Yep. Okay. Okay. Doesn't this mean that I should like filter out any letters that are um, that are I cannot use a set. I need to remove all letters that have an occurrence of less than 1. Or I just put it in the find strings with max method later. We'll see. Okay, where am I? I can collect all, yeah, I have that. For each unique single letter, check if the occurrence is max is 1 or is 2 or equal. Yeah. Should probably put it in here somewhere. If first count equals second count. Ah, this is so hacky. Oh man. If max first count, second count less or equal 1, return just like that. Okay. Okay. So now, for example, C should just be nothing because there are no C's. Okay. Great. For each unique single letter, check if the occurrence is max as 1 or as 2, write where it was found and the amount of how many times it was found and as 1 as both 2, sort all letters. So basically, I can try it now. Mix is, first of all, filter out any letters that are not A to Z. So, both of them, right? Okay. Filter out S1 plus S2. Okay. Lower case letters. I'm probably gonna remove those little functions later. I'm gonna make a component test now. First, code wars test. Let's check it out. My friend has heavy hats. Whoops. Almost 2 equals my friend John has many hats. Okay. Nope. Like this. And then mix S1, S2 should be a string, a list, basically a list of the strings. Should be this. Let's check it out so far. This is not gonna work. Lowercase letters. Let's check it out. Actual, my friend wall has heavy. Why is Paul missing? My friend. Why is there? Ah, because it's a uppercase. Okay, great. Filter out. And then, well, unique letters. It's gonna be a set. So it's just gonna be unique letters with lowercase letters. Let's return this to string, join to string or something. Check this out. Does this already make sense? Probably. Hey, wait a second, I have a T. They don't have a T, because probably it's gonna be less than T. Okay. And now, for unique letters, for each, I need to find string with max. Oh, damn it. Okay, my problem is I cannot look in lowercase letters. Okay, I need to, well, lowercase, first lowercase, first string, first lowercase, string is filter out as 1. Now we have the second one. Lowercase string is filter out as 2. And then unique letters is just first plus second. Okay. And now for each. Oh man, this is gonna be this is not gonna be performant at all. Let's check it out. Find strings with max in first lowercase, second lowercase, and it. This is gonna return a string. I might map it. And now I have a map. I'm gonna print this out real quick. Can I? Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, pretty much. Ooh. Okay. If it's not empty. Sure, I can do that. Is blank. Well, max. If max is not blank, max. Let's check this out. So now I should have removed. Okay, now it's a unit. Why though? Yeah, I can do that later anyways. Filter not null. Filter not is blank. Okay. And now I need to sort them by this. But this is already correct, right? Let's check this out real quick. It looks correct. EE and SS. Yeah. Okay, so now basically what I should return here is not a string, but like a tuple, I guess. So a pair. And it should be a number, no, a string, string, and string. Yeah, that makes sense. We'll make a new pair and put this in first. And then first filtered. Let's copy paste this stuff. Copy paste this stuff. This is going to be a 1, this is going to be a 2, and this is going to be a second filtered. Removing it. Return pair of nothing, nothing. Is there something like empty pair? Nope. Okay. Let's check our test cases. They should not run anymore. And now this is like if second is blank. Okay. Let's check if the second is blank. Yeah, this is not going to be correct anymore. Yeah. I'll just change it real quick. It should be a pair. Yep. I mean, this does make sense. Or I don't know, maybe it doesn't, but like it's way easier to work with it like that later. And this is just an empty pair. Let's check this out. Does this work? Okay. Okay. So now I get all of these sets, and now I need to sort them. Sorted by the descending. It second. I don't know, what does this do? Count. Yeah, so this is already pretty neat. Now the problem is if it's the same, then I need to. Now it's already pretty good. We'll just do it like this. Return this thingy and join it to string in the end. Ooh. Okay. I need to join them first. So like for each it first plus second. Yeah, this is then already a string, I guess. No, is it not? Why is this? Oh, okay. Should be a string. Let's do it like this then. Why does this not work? Ah, I should map it. No? Found list of string? Yeah, that's fine. Then join them. Check it out. Yeah, nearly. Why does it have slashes in between? Is this really needed? Apparently it is. Let's check it out real quick. Where are the slashes from? Oh, so I messed up. It should just be an equal sign. Okay, whoops. And like this. See if the test still runs. And then I need to join them with a slash. Oh, this does not work. Too bad. So this is already pretty good, but now I need to sort every occurrence where every time what's happening here. Oh yeah, okay. A sequence, fair enough. Okay. Does this make a difference? Apparently it does not. Okay. Now I need to sort every element when the thing is equal. Basically what I would like to do is write a comparator that does that. Sorted with according to the specified comparator. Okay, I'll check this out real quick. I haven't written a comparator in Kotlin yet. Comparator. How do I write one? This does not help me. Oh, I can maybe like just write it in there. Let's check it out real quick. Can I just write in sort? Nope. Check it out real quick. Oh, okay, so apparently there is like a then. No? No? Wait a second. Compare by? How do I do this? Sorted with. And now I need to write a function that does that. Yeah, so now I need a new comparator. Okay. Compare by descending, and this should be it, second count. So far this should be the exact same thing, hopefully. Yes. And then compare by descending. Then oh, why does this not work? Oh, compare by. Why? Why does this not work? Maybe this one? I'm confused. Because I'm seeing an example right now where it works exactly like that. Maybe there is no comparator for... Maybe there is no comparator for... then for the pair. Kotlin sort then. Sort by age first and then by name. Sorted with, compare by, first one, comma, second one. So the first one is correct. And we need a second one. And the second one is gonna be the... oh, okay, should be like this. No. Okay. So this needs to be a function with a lambda, with two lambdas. Okay. And now I need to second. First. Like this maybe? So this should... Does this already sort alphabetically? Oh no. How did I try to do it before? Wait a second. Compare by. Then I'm not really getting it right now. This should have been correct. Like just like this. I don't know. First to ASCII. Then it's by number. Now it doesn't work anymore because it's sorting it by... Ooh. Wait a second. Maybe it does work. D F. No, it does not. Because this needs to be sorted descending. Second count. So reverse. Can I reverse that? I'm not sure. How do I do this? Compare by. Then compare by and descending probably. Compare by descending. Let's check this out very quick. This should be the first that we had before. Yes. And then by its second, first letter to ASCII. Hey, this is correct, right? This is correct. So I messed up somewhere. So now it does work. Does it just work with the first as well? Yeah, it does. So I think the problem is that these ones are apparently in the end, and I kind of forgot about that. I just kind of forgot about that. Let's check it out. Substrings will be in decreasing order of their length, and when they have the same length, sorted in ascending, and if they are sorted in ascending lexicographic order, sorted by code point. What is sorted by code point? Let's check this out real quick. So, saying these have the same number, but this is just normal. 1, 2, 2, DD, FF, II, RR. Sorted by code point. What is code point in this context? Yeah, fine. The value of a letter. I'm fine with that. So I'm confused. This should not be the case here. In ascending lexicographic order. Well, fine, and I'll just do it like letter to ASCII. But this does not work either. This is the same thing. I have a feeling that these ones are just in the end, but apparently not in this. It doesn't really mention that correctly here. Where is it? Where is my code bars? Nope, nope. There we go. Okay. In the results, substrings will be in decreasing order of their length, and when they have the same length, sorted in ascending lexicographic order. I don't see anything about that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, blah, 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 R, and then E, S is way before that. Task it's where they appear with their maximum value and if the maximum is Yeah, this is confusing. What about the discussion? What do they say? Length, string number for most of the letters, 1, then 2, then, and then lexicographic. Great, great, thank you. So basically, there's another then by. Then by, and what I now realize is what I can do is I just can have this as a 0. This is a 1, this is a 2. This could basically... Nah, I'll just leave it a string for convenience right now. I'll probably need to adapt the test cases. This is a 0. This is nothing. Okay. Okay. Then by it first to int I guess I need to do this as a whatever, a free. Then I can sort it ascending, and then I need to do this. Okay, and now map it first, and then there's this symbol, and I need to check if this is free. If it's free, I need to do an equals mark. Or maybe I just do it like this, and I don't cast it to int. I just put it like this too. Let's check it out. Yeah, now it worked. Awesome. Let's check it out. Does this already work in the codeverse? Which I conveniently hide all the time. No. No. What's happening? Where is this? Compare by, then by, then by. What's the problem here? Unresolved. Well, we don't need that, right? We can just have first. It should still be correct. Yeah. Does it work now? Awesome. Okay, then I'll clean up real quick. So now it's apparently, I think I have it. I would like to refactor a little bit. So basically, I think filter out is totally not. No, I can use it, and that's fine. Why not? I mean, yeah, I'm not super happy about the solution, but it's fine. It works for now. See if it works when submitted. Yes, it does. Yeah, other ones were not that cleaner either, so I think I'm fine. Awesome. This kata was a bit weird. I felt like it was a lot of very basic high-level concepts like filtering and sets, comparing and stuff, and this was very helpful for me in particular. Oh, distinct, I forgot about that. But okay, because I learned to, because I kind of looked a little bit into that stuff, but this did not feel like a 4th level kata to me at all. Might have been like a 6 or 7. Well, let's say 6. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching, and this is it.